children. Hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Okay, so in today's class we are going to continue with the last topic which we have discussed, that is the rain. Okay, do you remember the chapter, children? We have learnt and I have explained you the chapter, the rain. So today we are going to see the question answers and the grammar part which is there in this lesson. Okay, so before that we'll revise and brief out once the lesson what we have learned, and then we'll go to question answers and then grammar part. Okay, so before starting the class, what you have to do? Follow the steps. Sit in a comfortable position, don't bend your back, make sure you have your textbook and notebook with you and whatever you want for the video classes, and be away from all kinds of sounds and disturbances. And yeah, now 2 minutes of meditation. Okay, so sit straight, close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Do this for 2 minutes. This improves your focus. Okay, okay children, so what is the lesson name we have discussed? The rain. And who are the main characters in this lesson, children? Gopal, Gopal's wife, and Murugan. Isn't it? There are 3 people who comes in this lesson, and the main the lesson is written around Gopal. Okay, so children, Gopal, so this lesson is written around the full story of Gopal, isn't it? Gopal was a farmer. Who was Gopal? Gopal was a farmer. He has a wife and 2 children with him, isn't it? Yeah, so he lived with a he had a wife and 2 children. There are totally 4 people in their home. So he lived in a tiny village near Madurai. So what is the village name, children? Madurai. Village name is Madurai. Okay, so Gopal had a well on his land. He has a land. Since he is a farmer, you know what he does? He cultivates the crops, means food for us, isn't it? So he had his own land, and near that land he has his own well. Okay, well where water is stored, isn't it? Yeah, so he has his own well, but there was no water in it because there was no rain. Okay, when there is no rain, there will be no water in ponds, wells and all. Okay, this was the situation. Now every day Gopal used to look at the sky, and what happens? There was no clouds. So obviously if there are no clouds, there is no rain, and it seems like the sun is laughing at him. Okay, so it is so bright. Since if it is summer, there will be no rain. Okay, if summer is there, you know, right? If you see, look at the sky during summer, there will be no clouds, only a bright shining sun will be there, isn't it? And whereas huge clouds, if it forms, then rain will come. So here in this situation, Gopal used to look every day at the sky, and there will be no clouds, and it seems like the sun is laughing at him. Okay, this would be the situation of Gopal. So Gopal went to Murugan. So Murugan is known person for Gopal. So he went to Murugan and asked for to lend for money. Okay, like you give it to me, I will give whenever I have. Okay, so he asked money. How much money did he ask, children? 50 rupees. He asked 50 rupees from Murugan. Okay, but what happened? Murugan will reply, I can't, because there is no rain. No rain means no ragi in the fields. So when rain comes, you come to me, then I will give you. This is how Murugan will say to Gopal. That means he refused to give money. Okay, when Gopal asked 50 rupees, Murugan did not give, because there is no hope of rain, and if it is no rain, no fields, no ragi in fields. So this is not possible. Then what happens? Gopal got sad, and Gopal went home and looked in the little box under the bed. There was a box under the bed. In that little box he looked the money, because he has saved money in that little box. Okay, we have 60 rupees, he said to his wife. So as soon as he looked into the box, there was only 60 rupees. So if you imagine, children, we can't survive in 60 rupees, isn't it? So it was very, very hard to even have proper food at one time also. Okay, so we have 60 rupees, he said to his wife, and we can eat for few more days. So he will say that we can manage for few more days, Then what shall we do? He got worried what we should do. Then what happens? Every day Gopal look at sky and some used to laugh at him. This is what? No, there will be no cloud, and this was becoming hopeless every day because there was no rain at all. Then what happens? After a few days, Gopal looked in the box again. So as he said, no, 60 rupees is there. We can have food for few days. But after a few days, when he looked into the box, there was only 4 rupees. Can you imagine? Only 4 rupees was there with him. Now see what happens. We only have 4 rupees. He'll tell to his wife, and then said his wife. And then no food, said Gopal. So now even wife and Gopal both are worried now because there is no possibility of surviving keeping 4 rupees because Gopal, his wife and 2 children are there. Now see what happens. Suddenly Gopal's wife touches her earrings because that earrings was made of gold. Okay, she touches his earrings and she removes and give it to Gopal. But Gopal feels sad because Gopal gifted that earrings to his wife on their wedding day. Because it is special when someone gift you on special occasions like birthdays, anniversaries and all. It will be a special gift, isn't it? But now the situation is they don't have food. So what Gopal's wife will do? She removes the earrings and she gives it to Gopal. Like, go and sell them. We can have food for a few more days. So this is how the situation was going on. Gopal's wife took off the earrings. A tear dropped. So when she was taking it, because it was special for her. Because her husband gave her, Gopal gave her. No, it was special, but there's no other option. She took the earrings and gave it to Gopal. Gopal was very, very sad at that situation, but he took the earrings and walked off to the town. Okay. Suddenly he stopped while he was going towards the town because he stays in a village. Okay. He wanted to go to town and sell the earrings. So as soon as he was going on the way to the town, he suddenly stopped and he observes. You know what he observes? He suddenly stopped and he started to shout, "Rain, rain," because the rain came pouring down and Gopal was happy. Obviously, when rain comes, all the situations will get correct, okay? Because all his trouble of having no money, so all his problems will get solved if rain will come. So he was so happy and he shouted, "Rain, rain, rain." He shouted and he was so happy. And because he don't want to sell the earrings also now. Now he can cultivate ragi and have enough money for their survival. Isn't it? Yeah, children. This is what the story is all about Gopal. Okay. So what do you learn from this story, children? So we have to face and have patience towards our problems. Okay. So since Gopal became hopeless on rain and they don't have money, since he got the situation to sell the earrings also. But you have to save money when you have it, okay? Because we don't know what situation we'll get, okay? Like how you save it little by little in your piggy bank, no? Similarly, we all have to save little money so that it will be helpful for our tough times, okay? Okay, children, now these are few words which come under the answers, okay? So I know this is very used to it, but still I'm going to, because if you learn it frequently, you won't forget, okay? You have to remember these common words, spellings of this. First word is because. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because. Next, hope, H-O-P-E, hope. H-O-P-E, hope. Next, earrings, earrings, E-A-R-R-I-N-G-S, earrings, E-A-R-R-I-N-G-S, earrings. Then, pouring, the rain came pouring, no? That's what, pouring. P-O-U-R-I-N-G, pouring. P-O-U-R-I-N-G, pouring. Because, hope, earrings, pouring. Okay, children? So this is what the hard words is there, okay? Then, we'll go to question answers. Okay, children, so these are the question answers. We'll go through it, okay? Why was there no water in Gopal's well? Tell me. Why was there no water in Gopal's well? So you tell me, why was there no water in Gopal's well? Because there was no rain. No rain means no water in the well. Are you getting, children? If there is no rain, there will be no water in the well. Okay? Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because there, T-H-E-R-E, there was no rain, R-A-I-N, rain. Repeat, why was there no water in Gopal's well? No water in Gopal's well. Because there was no rain. Next, what did Gopal do every day? Why? So, you tell me, what did Gopal do every day? Every day he used to come out and look at the sky, isn't it? And in hope of rain. That's what you have to write. Gopal looked to the sky. Gopal looked, L-O-O-K-E-D, looked to the sky. Why? Because in hope of rain. Hope. What spelling for hope? H-O-P-E, hope. In hope of rain. Repeat. What did Gopal do every day? What did Gopal do every day? Why? Gopal looked to the sky in hope of rain. In hope of rain. Next, how much money did Gopal find at home? So when he opened the small box in home, under the bed in home, how much money did he find, children? 60 rupees. 60, S-I-X-T-Y, 60 rupees, R-U-P-E-E-S, rupees, 60 rupees. How much money did Gopal find at home? 60 rupees. One more time. Why was there no rain in Gopal's well? Because there was, why was there no water in Gopal's well? Because there was no rain. What did Gopal do every day? Why? Gopal looked to the sky in hope of rain. In hope of rain. How much money did Gopal find at home? How much money did Gopal find at home? 60 rupees. Okay, we'll see a few more. Okay, what made Gopal happy? So at the end of this chapter, tell me, what made Gopal happy? The rain was pouring down, which made Gopal happy. So what made Gopal happy, children? The rain was pouring down. The rain was pouring down, which made Gopal happy. Okay? The rain was pouring. What spelling for pouring? P-O-U-R-I-N-G, pouring down. The rain was pouring down, which made Gopal happy. Okay, children? We'll see one moment. Okay, children. So, are these sentences true or false? You have to write whether the sentence is true or false based on the story. Okay? Gopal had 3 children. Is it true, children? Is it true or false? Gopal had 3 children? No. He had 2 children, isn't it? So, this sentence is false. So, write it down. False. Okay? Because Gopal had 2 children, not 3. Then, there was no water in Gopal's well. There was no water in Gopal's well. Is it true or false, children? There was no water in Gopal's well, no? Yes, because there was no rain. So, there was no water in Gopal's well. So, this sentence is true. T-R-U-E, true. Next, there were thick white clouds in the sky. So, whenever Gopal used to look at the sky, were there thick clouds? No, right? There were no clouds at all. Only sun was there, isn't it? So, this sentence is false. There were no clouds in the sky. But here they have given there were thick white clouds in the sky, which is wrong, okay? Which is false. Gopal lived in a big village near Madurai. Is it true? Yeah, village name is Madurai. Is it a big village? No, it was a small village. Gopal lived in a small village near Madurai. So this sentence is also false. False. Okay. Next, Gopal sold his wife's earrings. Is it true or false, children? Did he sell his wife's earrings? No, right? Because he was going and the rain came pouring down. Isn't it? So he don't need to sell the earrings. So it is false. Okay, so if you know this story properly, then you can easily answer this. Okay, so it's only I tell you to read in your homes. Okay, Gopal had 3 children. No, it is false because he had only 2 children. There was no water in Gopal's well. This sentence is true because there was no water. There were thick white clouds in the sky. False. Gopal lived in a big village near Madurai. No, it is false because Gopal lived in a small village near Madurai. Gopal sold his wife's earrings. False because he did not sell since while he was going the rain pouring down. The rain came pouring down. Okay. So children, the next main is jumble letters. Okay, they are given a jumble letters. From that you have to form a correct word. So this I have taught you in the first poem, My Cat. Okay. So if you do remember a bit, okay, what we have done, they have given a letters like this, jumbled here and there, and using these letters only we have to form a meaningful word. Okay, N-A-I-R is given. So what is the correct word I have to write? R-A-I-N. So what it becomes, children? Rain. So you should not add any new word. So from you should not add any new letter. In those letters only you have to frame a word. See, R is there, A is there, I is there, N is there. So what it becomes? Rain. Okay. So R-A-I-N, rain. Then S-L-O-C-U-D is given. S-L-O-C-U-D is given. So from this what word can be found, children? Cloud. C-L-O-U-D-S. So what it forms? Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S. So it forms clouds. Next, asleep. Asleep. A-S-L-E-E-P. So from this another word you have to frame. What is that? Please. P-L-E-A-S-C. So you can recheck. I am not adding new letter here. From those letters only I am framing a new word. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Then T-R-E-A-F. T-R-E-A-F. So what this word will become, children? A-F-T-E-R. After. Before, after. Okay? A-F-T-E-R. After. Next. S-U-P-E-R-E. S-U-P-E-R-E. From this frame a word. That is R-U-P-E-E-S. So what it becomes? R-U-P-E-E-S. Rupees. What is the word, children, here? Rupees. Rain, clouds, please. After, rupees. Okay. So using these jumbled means the letters which is not given in correct manner. Okay. They are given here and there. Using those letters you have to frame a proper word. Okay. This is how stay in your textbook. You can take down in your notebook. Okay. Rain, clouds, please, after, rupees. Okay, children. So take down all this in your book and be practicing. So we are anyhow coming to an end of the chapters and all. Okay. Then we have to give an exam also, right? Final examination. So be practicing because later it will be useful for you. Okay, children. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.